Welcome back, students, to your channel Infinity Education. So, before starting today's topic, those who are new to my channel, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. So, let's start. So, in front of you, there is a one image, and I'm going to show you two more images. So, this is second and this is third. So, you have to identify the images name. Okay, so first we have a ruler or a scale, second we have a compass, and third we have a protector. Now students, I'm choosing from these three objects. Now I have to made an activity where we have to find out something. So let's see what is that activity. So now in front of you, I've used a protector. So what you have to do, you have to find out the different measure for different angles in front of you is given. So let's start one by one. In first, we can see it's a 20 degree. In second, we have 60 degree. In third, we have a 70 degree. And in fourth, we have a 30 degree. Now students, if I add figure number 1 and figure number 3, what is the total sum of these pairs of angle? That is a 90 degree. Again, if I add second and fourth figure, again I get as a 90 degree. That means we get a pairs of angle whose sum is 90 degree, right? So we are going to learn about today the pairs of angle. So let's see what's the name for that pair of angle. So we have a complementary angles. So when the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, then the angles are called complementary angles. Let's see the example. So in front of you, figure 1 and figure 2, they are shown. So if we add 30 degree plus 60 degree, again we get a 90 degree. That means these are the pair whose sum is 90 degree and they are complementary. And in right hand side, you can see it. There is one more figure and there is a 90 degree. If you add both the sums, again you get a 90 degree. That means it's a complementary angles. Now students, in front of you, there is one more question arises. So check whether it is a complementary angle or not. So how you are going to check it? So you know that complementary angles whose sum is 90 degree, you just have to add both angles. So let's add both the angles. So we have a 35 degree and 65 degree. And if you added both the degrees, let's see what's the sum. So that means we get 100 degree, right? But we know that complementary sum is 90 degree, but here is 100 degree. That means it's a not a complementary angle. So it's these pairs are not a complementary angles. Okay, we have next new thing, students, that is complement. Students, if I hide 40 degree, then you get again 50 degree. How? Because we know that complementary angles whose sum is 90 degree. So if I subtract 90 with 40, what I get? Yes, I get 50 degree, right? And again, if I find the complement of 50, I have to subtract 90 with 50. I get again 40 degree, right? So that means if we have a complement of a 40 degree, then we have a 50. And if we want to find 50, so the complement is 40 because these two sums angle is for 90 degrees. So that's way we can find the complement for each angle. Now in front of you, two images are there. Now you have to locate it out, the complementary angles that you can see in these figure. So let's go one by one. So in first, you can see there is a 3 o'clock. Now we have to locate. So we can see it, there is a one line and this is hour, this is second and this is for minute. I can get it, there is a 90 degree angle is find it out, and if we add both the sums, we get again 90 degree. If I talk about in this pizza, we can slice this out and we can find the 90-degree, and the complement angles are also there because the sum of these two angles we get as a 90 degrees. So we can find it out here also, the complementary angles. Now students, it's your duty. You have to find out the complement of this given angle. So now just pause this video for a few seconds and do it by your own. So I guess you have completed your work. So let's me do this question for you. So I'm going to subtract this number which is 63 with the 90. Let's see what's the complement of 63 because the sum is 90-degree. So if we subtract 90 with 63, we get it's 27-degree. So that means the complement of 63-degree is 27-degree. Okay, students? So you just match your answer with your answer. Okay? So in the next video, we will going to meet with the next new topic. For thank you, students.